Are you sick and tired of not being at your desired body weight? Are you insecure about your arms, chest, abdomen, and legs? Do you wish to have a fit and lean body figure? Well, look no further. At Exercise and Weight Loss, you'll get the best training guides, tips, and tricks to get your desired body. With this training package, we offer scientifically backed ways to lose weight and firm up your body. Find nutritionally packed meal ideas that will aid you in weight loss and proven exercises that will make you look slim and fit. Dear friend, I'm going to cut to the chase. You've probably been working out for weeks now and aren't seeing any results. Not only are you tiring yourself out, but also causing injury to your muscles and bones. You've never seen results because there is much data on how to train and keep yourself fit. However, most of it isn't holistic nor valid. At Exercise and Weight Loss, we provide complete and comprehensive training that you can do even in the comfort of your own home. Once you purchase our fitting training set, you will see your weight loss results soon. Our pieces of training contain light stretching exercises and hardcore ones to cater to clients' demands. You don't need to fret if you can't do the exercises, or not because the training provided in our package is fit for both men and women. Weight loss is not about achieving results quickly, and it is about incorporating healthy habits into your daily life to become a lifestyle. And we will help you achieve that. I'll provide advice to help you curate an effective workout plan and learn about workout nutrition. You'll learn the importance of physical activity in weight loss and fitness. You will also learn the importance of stretching and aerobic exercise in weight loss. You will also learn the principles of muscle building and fat burning. The training package contains step-by-step instructions on achieving positive results and makes it easier for the user to follow. Let me give you a preview of what you can find inside. Physical activity introduction, exercise nutrition, HIIT, aerobic exercise, high-intensity aerobic training, physical activity in practice, principles of building muscle, strength training, daily physical activity and NEAT, creating an effective workout plan, and a lot more inside. With the purchase of this training package, you won't need anything else. Who needs this step-by-step training guide? If your answer to any of these is yes, you should purchase this training program. Are you worried that working out and dieting is a waste of time? Are you concerned that you won't be able to burn the extra daily calories? Are you afraid that you won't have the mental and physical stamina for a consistent workout routine? Do you think you're too old to start following a weight loss plan? Or are you interested in wanting to know how you can build your body's muscles? Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. Furthermore, let me give you insight into what actions are causing you not to lose weight. One of the primary reasons for the lack of weight loss is the action of sitting for extended periods. Sitting lacks the physical activity that your body needs to burn fat. So, get off that chair and follow our weight loss and fitness training guide. Many individuals do not realize that they go over their daily calorie intake just by drinking liquids or eating too many healthy meals, thinking it won't have consequences, but in turn, it adds to their body fat. The exercise and weight loss package will also educate you on how to avoid adding on excess body fat. If you still believe in myths such as lunges and squats help you develop the glutes or crunches help you get abs, or that you can spot reduced fat in one area, then I'm here to tell you that it's all a fad. Our holistic package teaches you the correct way of burning fat and toning up and is affordable. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get valuable fast action bonuses. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer the best course about exercise and weight loss, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. So why wait? Purchase your fitness guide right now and start your journey to physical fitness.